Sup, YouTubers? Y'all remember me? Wow. Beautiful. And I mean beautiful day. 71 degrees, and it's going to go up higher. Mwah! I love it. And I know what y'all are thinking. Does Big C got himself something to drink? And to answer your question, yeah, you know it. On a beautiful, hot, sunny day, it's a beautiful and great day. And good to get something to drink out to keep you hydrated. One more. All right. Y'all know what you've been waiting for. And like I've been saying plenty of times, I'm doing what I love every single day. And I want to be honest with y'all. I spend my entire dedication feeding and giving food to the homeless. My entire dedication is to them and what I love every single day. My entire dedication giving and feeding the homeless. You ready? Here we go. Excuse me.
What we got today? It's a surprise today.
Chicken wings, potato wedges,
Oh wow!
Mountain Dew, and Nutty Buddies.
Woo! Thank you, man.
You are very welcome.
Yes, indeed. That was a As always, I share with my friends.
Absolutely.
And I'm gonna fix you these and food.
Absolutely.
Oh.
As
It
always,
is hot today.
very 71 degrees.
Oh, that is hot.
As always, you be safe and stay safe out here.
Thank you. You too, buddy.
Thank you.
Appreciate
Fantastic. Fantastic day, like I always have been saying. And I want to be remembered for my entire dedication, one more time, giving and feeding the homeless. What I love every single day, and that's doing this. I'll never, ever forget it. Enjoying this great day. Y'all see my head. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. I'm just looking at these cars. But anyway, if you have a comment, leave me one about this story of what y'all think about me still feeding the homeless. And write me a comment below of what you think about this one too. I'm Big C. See y'all next time. I'm out. Gone. Signing off. Big Mama. I'll be seeing ya. I love you.